Hindi ba maintindihan ng mga viewers mo ang video mo dahil iba yung lahi nila? Meron pong bagong update sa YouTube na kaya nang maintindihan ng mga viewers mo ang video mo or ang language ng video mo in their own language. At yan po ay sa pamamagitan ng AI-generated voices or auto-dubbing. Hello fellow creators, this is Maymoon Ju JV. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you what auto-dubbing is, its advantages and disadvantages. But before we dive into the topic, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell button for more tips and updates. Without further ado, alamin na po natin ang bagong feature na to. Ang auto-dubbing ay automatic na nagtatranslate at nagdadub ng video natin into different languages. Or pwede nilang palitan ang audio ng video sa language nila or preferred language nila. Halimbawa po English ang video mo at may viewers kang Chinese or Bangla. So pwede po nilang palitan ng language nila ang video mo. Gaya po ng video ni Mr. Beast. Ang original language ni Mr. Beast ay English. And then, para maintindihan ng ibang viewers, pwede nilang palitan. So, para mapalitan, punta lang po dito sa settings and then i-click ang audio track at pili po ng language na gusto nila. Halimbawa, Arabic, Bangla, Chinese, French, German. So, pwede po.
Alien mountain covered in ice.
أنزلني والقيادة في طريق أدى إلى مقتل الآلاف. نحن على بعد 17 سنتيمترا من السقوط إلى حتفنا.
এর সাথে কেজ ছাড়াই সুইমিং করব এবং আরো অনেক কিছু আর শুরু করব এই কেজ থেকে একটা আফ্রিকা
So, yan po ang advantage ng AI-generated voices or auto-dubbing. And it's supposed to be helpful. Kaya lang, alam naman po natin na hindi po accurate ang translation ng computer or ni AI. At ang disadvantage po ng auto-dubbing, ino-auto-translate po ni YouTube ang title ng video natin. And since iba or hindi accurate ang translation ng AI, iba yung nagiging resulta ng video natin. Out of context na. Gaya po ng video na to.
And unfortunately, it gets worse. YouTube is also auto-translating video titles. Take this video. This is the English title. And this is the title for it in German. This literally means new Steam box. Gone is the mention of gone is the mention of Valve or anything meaningful. Not only is this a bad translation, but there have been no new releases of Steam machines since the original launch in 2015, so YouTube just clickbaited everyone, which means the auto-generated translations might be setting up your videos for failure.
So, kung napansin natin na iba yung title ng video sa ibang language or nawala yung meaning ng video, alam naman natin na hindi po accurate ang translation ng AI. So, kapag in-auto-translate ni YouTube ang title ng video mo, iba yung magiging resulta or iba yung magiging kalalabasan. And it may negatively impact your video's performance. Pero para hindi ma-auto-translate ang title ng video mo, pwede mo pong i-disable ang auto-dubbing. Punta po kayo sa YouTube Studio, Settings, Upload Defaults, Advanced Settings, and i-uncheck nyo po ang automatic dubbing. Or kung gusto nyo namang i-auto-translate ang video nyo, pwede nyo pong i-translate properly ang title ng video nyo. So, punta kayo sa YouTube Studio and punta kayo sa subtitles ng video nyo. I-click ang Add Language and i-input nyo yung mga translated title and description ng video nyo or na gusto nyo sa video nyo. So, medyo mahirap lang siya. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga na maintindihan ng mga viewers ang video mo, kahit sino pa yung mga viewers mo, pwede nyo pong gawin. So, yan po ang advantage and disadvantage ng auto-dubbing. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to ask questions and offer suggestions, feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.